Imam Sadiq said, trade enhances wisdom. The person who wants to do trade should first understand religion so that he may access to halal and haram. He warned, don't leave trade, otherwise you will become weak. There are some people whose livelihood is in trade and some others who earn through their languages. Once Imam Sadiq sent his companion Musarraf with rare goods trade to Egypt, but in Egypt traders did agreement to sell this rare goods trade with double profit. On his return, when Musarraf handed over 2 bags of profit to Imam Sadiq, but Imam Sadiq refused to take 1 bag of ill-gotten gain. Imam Sadiq said to Abu Ubaidah that Allah Almighty has declared the livelihood in the hands of His creature. Hence, he should pray that Allah Almighty declare his livelihood in the hands of noble person. He further said, the person who behaves well with his family members adds his livelihood. Imam Sadiq guided us. Abundance of haram that is forbidden causes unblessed. Imam Sadiq narrated that Allah Almighty strongly dislikes the person who swears and sells his goods trade. The person who buys property is sustenance, while the person who sells property is unblessed. Abu Shaybani narrated that once Imam Sadiq, holding shovel in hand, was busy in doing work in his garden. Sweat was flowing from his body. Imam Sadiq said to me that he liked to bear heat of sun for livelihood. Imam Sadiq directed, don't demonstrate laziness to earn livelihood.